It is Friday. Yes, Friday is the day it is. Pretty nice day today. Little bit overcast, but not quite. 90 degrees Fahrenheit with a breeze. So very nice. Just headed up here to my friend Helen's. There you go. If you're ever in town and you want a pizza, there you go. You get yourself a pizza, burger and fries, and a drink, or a hot dog combo. That place right there. It's called the Pizza Place on Watbo Road. You can check out their Facebook page if you want. They make all their ingredients fresh in the store. They grind their own meat for the hamburgers and use only pork for their hot dogs. Anyway, going to my friend Helen's. She helps me out when I have to do the whole PayPal thing. And one of my subscribers was nice enough to get me started on Seing Lai's channel. Yes, Seing Lai is going to have her own channel called Khmer Cooking with Seing Lai. This person thought it would be a good idea and said, here's some money to buy some ingredients and start making the video. She likes the idea of just Seing Lai shopping at the market, explaining in her own words what she's buying, the process, and then going back home and cooking it in that little tiny kitchen. So if you look for the channel, I'll link it down below. Khmer Cooking with Seing Lai. There's no videos on there yet. We're going to make our first one later. But if you want to subscribe to that, the link will be below. I got the banner that I made and a picture, and that's about it for right now. People were telling me on Facebook, well, not telling me, but posting on Facebook in the expat groups that there was a heavy military and police presence in town, certain sections of town today. And someone mentioned that is because the Prime Minister and his wife of Sri Lanka is in town today, coming for a visit. So that would explain that. So far I haven't seen any down this side of Watbo Road. I guess it's limited to like the downtown area and the main road, Highway 6. Should probably be where they are traveling. I like coming down this way. Except when I go see Helen, there's really nothing down here that isn't closer the other way, so I don't get down here that often. Sometimes people ask me, why don't you go to different areas of town? And that's usually the reason why. It's like, I could, but I find the same things I can find closer back further by my apartment. Still under construction. Well, still, there are a lot of nice things around here. Stores and shops, restaurants. And of course, one of the big pagodas, one of the big temples, watts, whatever you want to call it. You're right up here past this next intersection. Oh, bugs. I had to hand off my coffee to Seing, get rid of that bug that was crawling on my neck. I did get a new student this last week. He can only come Monday through Thursday. He can't make it on Fridays. And I assigned him to the 5:30 to 6:30 slot. I wanted to put him in with a class at 6:30. You know, because that's one less hour I would have to teach. But that wouldn't have been fair because he is not as he's not as advanced as the 6:30 students are. We talk about some higher intermediates, lower advanced concepts and conversations in that class. And even though he speaks some English, he's still unfamiliar with some of the basic concepts. You know, where to put the prepositions and the difference between, you know, a and an, things like that. So I gave him his own class, and hopefully I can find some more students for it. Some newer language learners. But still, it's always nice. Excuse me. It's always nice when people want to learn English, and like a lot of people, he wants to learn it because he is working for an NGO that has a lot of American or a lot of English-speaking people in charge. And of course, he wants to do well at his job and communicate better with them. And one of the first things he said was he really needs help with his listening skills. Says he doesn't understand a lot of what they say sometimes. So that's what we are focusing on. I think I mentioned this before. All those things right there you see are actually tombstones of the different monks that have served at this particular temple, and they're given a place of honor when they pass away. Just a few subscribers away from 700 too. That'll be another milestone. I really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. I'm glad you enjoy the content. And as always, just let me know if you have any ideas or questions. Leave them in a comment, and I'll see what I can do. All right, my arm's getting tired. I got coffee in the other one. I'll talk to you guys later.